Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
The year is 2026, and when you think of Ferrari, you probably imagine the roar of a V12 on the open track, the screaming red bodywork cutting through the air like a blade, and the heritage of Maranello stamped proudly on every car. Ferrari has always been about racing DNA, pure performance, and an obsession with speed. But what if I told you that Ferrari has stepped into a completely new territory, one that no one could have ever predicted? That's right, the Italian stallion is now rolling out something that is not a supercar, not a hypercar, not even a track-only beast. This time, it's a motorhome. Yes, a Ferrari motorhome for 2026. It sounds insane, it sounds like a contradiction, but it also sounds like something only Ferrari could dare to pull off. This isn't just any motorhome, though. This is a fusion of motorsport heritage with the luxury of Italian craftsmanship. Imagine an F1-inspired house on wheels, capable of combining the adrenaline of Ferrari performance with the comfort of a five-star suite. The Ferrari motorhome isn't just transportation, it's an experience, a lifestyle statement, and a bold declaration that Ferrari can dominate beyond the racetrack. Let's dive deep into this machine, because once you hear what Ferrari has done, you might just question every other RV or luxury motorhome ever built. From the outside, the Ferrari motorhome doesn't look like your traditional RV, forget the boxy silhouettes that lumber down highways. Instead, this motorhome carries the sleek, aerodynamic curves reminiscent of Ferrari's GT cars. It's as if a Ferrari Roma and a futuristic touring bus had a child. The body is sculpted in lightweight carbon fiber reinforced composites, reducing overall weight while maximizing structural rigidity. At the front, the signature Ferrari nosecone dominates,